guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this look what you see here using all the products from Cuffs and Lashes. So if you don't know, Cuffs and Lashes is a brand from a YouTuber, Nidhi. She has this website Cuffs and Lashes where you can find the products from different brands, very affordable brands, and she has her own makeup line as well, which is Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi. So all the products which I'm going to use to create this look are from her makeup line. ये जो भी products हैं वो काफ़ी affordable हैं. Cuffs and Lashes के ना mostly जो products हैं वो काफ़ी affordable हैं. Actually all the products are very affordable and मैंने past में भी काफ़ी सारे उनके products use करे हुए हैं. I have done detailed reviews on their makeup brushes, like their face brushes, their eyeshadow brushes, which they launch in collaboration with SHYSTYLES, other YouTuber, and their cover pots. तो ये सब मैंने already try किए हुए हैं, and in today's video I'm trying their CUPPY cakes, their blush, highlighter and bronzer for the first time, and their lipstick which they launched recently. So there are few products which I am trying for the first time, and there are few products which I have already tried and I like them. So yeah, I used all those products to create this look. So if you are interested to know what all products I used, what I think about those products and how I created this look, please keep on watching this video. So I've already prepped my face. I applied moisturizer and primer, and I did my eyebrows as well because Cuffs and Lashes doesn't have a primer or a eyebrow product till now. So now let's start with the base makeup. So for my foundation today, I'll be using this product. This is the cover pot from Cuffs and Lashes. It comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. इसके ऊपर color pot लिखा हुआ है, but it is actually cover pot. There is something wrong with the packaging. Yeah, so I got this one in the shade 08 Warm Sand. The brushes also I'll use from Cuffs and Lashes only because I have their face brushes and eye brushes. So this is how this cover pot looks from inside. It comes in this jar packaging. I felt this jar packaging is not always convenient because directly अगर आपको ये product pick करना हो ना brush पे या beauty sponge पे, so it can be little difficult. Now to blend the foundation, I'm using this brush from Cuffs and Lashes. This is their F013 foundation brush. So this shade is a really good shade for me. It matches my skin tone very nicely, and this foundation brush is very good, especially because of this angle it has. It fits really well in this area and it's very easy to blend. I'll just clip my hairs because they are irritating me. Now for concealer as well, I'll use cover pot only, and I'll use the shade 06. So this is the shade 06. I'm sorry, I don't remember the shade name, but shade number is mentioned on bottom. To apply this and to blend this, I'll use their concealer brush only. Yeah, so this is their concealer brush. Now I don't have any powder from Cuffs and Lashes. I think they didn't launch any powder, but they have one shade, I think banana powder, in their contouring range, but I didn't know about that earlier. मुझे recently पता चला and I couldn't order that. So I'll use other powder today. So I'll be using this powder to set my concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 15 Light. Now to apply this powder, I'm using this brush. This is their contouring brush actually. This is F012, but they don't have any mini powder brush which can fit in this area. So that's why I'm using this. Now for contouring, I'm using their CUPPY cakes. So this one is in the shade Tea Cakes. It comes in this very beautiful cardboard packaging. The outer packaging is really pretty. This is how it looks from inside. Now to apply this, I'm using this brush only which I use for powder. There's F012 brush. So I don't see any kickback. It's good. So this has this warm undertone, so this will work better as a bronzer than contour, because for contour you need something with cooler undertones. So this is how it looks like. I think the pigmentation is really good and it is very easy to work with this product. It was very easy to apply and blend. बिल्कुल भी effort नहीं करना पड़ा, बहुत easily blend हो गया. And the shade is nice, but it has little bit orange tones to it. I don't mind that. Like I like orange undertones than red undertones in my bronzers, but it has little bit extra orange tones to it, I feel. So yeah, I'm not very sure about the shade. Like I don't know what I exactly feel about the shade, but the product itself is really good. So for my eye look today, I'll use this palette. This is their 9 color eyeshadow palette and I got this one in this variant Let It Snow. There are total 3 variants in it. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this cardboard packaging and you get these 9 shades. So when I got this palette, this shade here was broken, so I fixed it somehow. I got one more palette recently from them, which is this one. This is their Enchanting palette and you get 35 shades in this palette. Let me show you how it looks from inside. This is the palette. The palette is really pretty and the shades are very nice, and you get some glitter shades as well in this one. So I'm not using this palette in today's video. I'll do a separate video on this palette. So let me know if you're interested to watch a review on this palette. I'll make a separate review video on this palette, but for today's video, let's use this 9 color palette. Let's see what we can use as a transition shade here. So these two and these two are matte shades, and then we have these 4 metallic shades and this one is a glitter shade. So all these shades are actually very dark. Nothing is good as a transition shade, but let's see. So let's try to use this shade. I'm not sure whether it will perform or not because I have fixed it. It was broken. By the way, don't get a mirror. I don't think this shade does anything. I mean, you can use this shade to blend your darker shades, but as a transition shade, I think it won't work, and the other shade is very white. So what I'll do, I'll use this bronzer. I'll use this one as a transition shade. By the way, I'm using this brush CS04. So next I'm using this shade, and to apply this shade I'm using this brush CS06. There's a little bit of kickback, but not too much. I'll apply this shade on the outer part of the crease. Okay, I think it is going on a little patchy. Let me use a smaller brush. So I'm using this shade brush CS05. Yeah, I'm not very happy how it looks. Like it is going on little patchy. I'm having a very hard time blending this shadow. Let's move on. So next I'll use this black shade. To apply this shade I'm using this brush CS07. This black shade is little better, but still I'm not very happy with the performance of this shade as well. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll apply this shade on my lids. I'm using my fingers only. So this metallic shade is looking very pretty. The pigmentation is not like very good, but you can easily build it up. Like it's not very wet or anything, but it's very soft and it is looking pretty on the eyes. Yeah, I'm happy with this shade at least. So I'll use this shade, this satiny shade, and I'll just apply it here on the outer part. I'll just blend these two shades together. Next I'm using the brush which I used to apply the transition shade, and I'll just blend everything together. So next I'm using this brush CS01. So I'll use this brush to apply this black shade very close to my upper lash line because I don't have any eyeliner. They have eyeliner but I don't have it with me. This black shade is not very black, so yeah, doesn't look very good. So I'll apply this same shade on my lower lash line as well, very close to my lower lash line, and only on the outer part of the lower lash line. Next I'm using this bronzer and using this brush CS03. I'll apply this again on my lower lash line. So that's it for the eye look. Cuffs and lashes don't have any mascara as well. So for mascara today I'm using this Maybelline Colloidal Mascara. Next for my blush I'm using this Cuppy Cake blush. So it comes in this outer packaging. The packaging is similar to the bronzer packaging but the color is different. Again, it's very beautiful outer packaging. And this one is in the shade Laters Baby. Now to apply this, I'm using this brush from Cuffs and Lashes. So this is their F014 brush. Wow, it's a very pretty shade and the pigmentation is good. Now next for highlighter, I have their Cuppy Cakes highlighter as well, but when I received this highlighter, it was completely shattered. So I fixed it. I don't have the outer packaging because was puri packaging na puri tarah se kharab ho gayi thi. So I didn't keep that packaging. I just threw that. But I have the inner packaging. So this is how it looks like. Obviously I have fixed it, so it doesn't look that nice in the pan. Iska shade isme mention nahi hai like any other product. But I think this was in the shade Frumptious. Yeah, I'm exactly not sure what was the shade name, but I'll mention in the description box. Now to apply this, I'll use this brush from SHYSTYLES range CS09. They have highlighter brush as well, but I don't like that brush much, so I'll be using this one. It's a very pretty shade and it looks very beautiful. I'll use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones and inner corners as well, and for that I'm using this brush CS03. Now I'll set my face using this Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. Now next for lipstick, I have their 5-in-1 lipstick. I got this one in the variant Nude, I believe. There were two variants in this. इसके ऊपर shade कहीं mention नहीं है, but it says 1. So this is how it looks like. When you open it, you have this here. It's similar to those pencils we used to get, like ऊपर से निकालो and then you just insert it in the bottom and then push it, so you'll get the next shade. So for this eye look, I'm using this shade. Okay, this is little darker than what I thought. Yeah, this is a lot darker than I thought, but okay, let's go with this only. It looks little vampy, but the shade is really pretty. It's a very dark shade with the cool undertones, but yeah, the shade is pretty. It was very easy to apply. This lipstick is very creamy. It glides on smoothly on the lips. You won't have to struggle while applying this lipstick. It looks beautiful as well. Happy with the pigmentation and all. It's highly pigmented, so you'll get a very good pigmentation in single application. So guys, this is the final look, and I liked all the products which I used to create this look except one product which was this eyeshadow palette. इसके जो metallic shade जो मैंने use किया, like I used these two shades. ये दोनों shades अच्छे से perform किए, but rest these two shades I was not happy. Like both of these shades were going a little patchy, especially this shade here. This dark gray shade, this was going on very patchy, and this black shade, it was not that patchy as this one, but still it was not as black as I was expecting it to be. So I'm not very happy with the matte shades in this palette, but the metallic shades are good, and the packaging of this palette is okay. Like it's a cardboard packaging, which is good actually, not bad, but I think still they can put a little bit more effort in the packaging. Like packaging अच्छी है, but the quality of the packaging is not that good. But I can understand that like they are trying to launch the products in a very affordable price, so उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा compromise करना पड़ता है चीज़ों के साथ. But I think they can improve little bit on the quality of the packaging. Product की quality काफ़ी अच्छी है, but the packaging is not that impressive. ये तीनों जो products मैंने use किए, these cupcakes from Cuffs and Lashes, ब्राउन्जर, ब्लश, हाइलाइटर, तीनों ही काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, और इन तीनों के अंदर आपको काफ़ी सारे शेड्स मिलते हैं. लाइक आई थिंक 7 to 8 शेड्स मिलते हैं आपको इन ईच ऑफ दीज कैटेगरीज. दे हैव द पैलेट्स एज वेल फॉर ईच कॉन्टूर, ब्लश, हाइलाइटर, सबके लिए डिफरेंट पैलेट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, बिग पैलेट्स, जिसके अंदर आपको 8 शेड्स मिलते हैं. एंड दिस लिपस्टिक इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. द शेड्स आर वेरी नाइस, like but one thing is like you see these shades here, right? But actual shades actually are little darker than what you see here. Like I wore this one, I'm not sure whether you can see, but this is the shade which I'm wearing, but on the lips it looks very dark, as you can see. So जो आपको दिख रहा है ना इसके अंदर, उससे जो shades हैं वो थोड़े dark होंगे, but still the shades are very pretty, and they look very beautiful, very creamy, very easy to apply, very comfortable to wear. They are not transfer proof, so they'll easily transfer. And about the lasting power, I can't comment because I'm wearing it for the first time, but I'll let you know in the description box कि कितने लंबे टाइम तक ये last करती है. I'll update you in the description box. And what else? Yeah, their cover pods are good, and I really love the eyeshadow brushes, like their SHYSTYLE brushes. I really love those brushes. सारे brushes बहुत ही अच्छे से perform करते हैं. I have done a detailed review on these brushes, so I'll mention the video in the description box and here also. So if you want to check that, you can check that video. That has all the details about each and every eyeshadow brush they have in this collection. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video, and I hope you like this video and it was helpful for you and you like this look. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.